Hello students, welcome ulit. So, continue tayo sa problem number 19. So, for problem number, So, for problem number 19, we have square root of tan 3x, tan 3x, and then second squared 3x. So, I think obvious na to, no? Second squared, 3x dx. Okay. So, again, yung problems na to are focused on integration by substitution. So far, hindi pa na-introduce, no? This is actually exercise 9.2. So far, hindi pa na-introduce yung integration of trigonometric functions. So obviously, we will not actually integrate trigo functions. However, you might be wondering, sir, bakit may tangent at saka secant? So although this is integral of tangent and secant of a function involving tangent and secant, notice that if we will use method of substitution or integration by substitution, actually it is just a basic integration formula using the second equation. However, we need to choose the correct substitution. So in this case, I think it's obvious to let u equal to tan 3x. Kasi yan, du should be equal to secant 3x. Diba? So let's set u is equal to tan 3x, which means du should be equal to, diba? Tangent of x ang du is secant squared x dx. Okay, in this case, we will let x be equal to 3x, or in this case, sabihin natin z, tangent of z, then dz should be secant squared z dz. So if this is z, itong 3x na to, then the derivative should be secant squared, 3x in this case, and then ano yung derivative ng 3x? That's actually times 3, and then dx. Yan. Sige, so I think diretso na to. Ay, sorry, nakalimutan ko yung secant square. May nakalimutan ko yung square. Ba't yan? Ba't tayo ma-square? Wala, yan. Sige. So I think diretso na. Notice, we can now substitute. However, before tayo mag-proceed, notice that this is actually 3 secant 3x square, no? Kaso nga lang dito, wala tayong 3, wala tayong coefficient na 3. So, we can actually just multiply the function with 3. Okay? However, it's important that if we will multiply the function with 3, dapat in-neutralize natin kasi it will change the value of the function. So, to neutralize this one, we will also divide the function by 3 or simply multiply it by 1/3. Yan, multiply natin by 1/3. Ay, sorry. Sandali ha. Parang may mali. Ayan, wala. Multiply natin by 1/3. Okay, this time, we can now proceed with the substitution. So, this will become u, and then itong whole secant 3x square times 3 dx will become du. Okay, so papalitan natin to. This will become du. Okay, so ito na yung function natin. Notice, this is just, we can actually solve this one using equation 2, no? Basic integration equation na to, or basic integration formulas. However, we need to change the radical sign into an exponent. So anyway, I'm sure alam nyo na, no? Square root of u is just equal to u to the power 1/2. Okay, sige. So with this, we will simply add basically equation 2, no? Bali, n is equal to 1/2. So we will add 1 sa exponent and then divide the whole variable with the exponent itself. Yan. And then huwag natin kalimutan yung plus c. Okay, don't forget for the plus c. Anyway, I will leave the simplification of the function to you guys. I'll just actually use my software para dito. Okay, however, you can easily use your calculator for this one. So we will have our answer here. Again, huwag natin kalimutan din, let's substitute the original value, no? Yung original variable natin, which is ang x. So we have u equal to tan 3x. Sige. Yan. Okay, so I think okay na tayo with this one. So I think that's it. Ay, sorry. Dito pala dapat. Yan. So I think that's it. So check na natin sa answer key natin kung same ba tayo ng sagot. Mhm. So, tama lang. Parehas lang. Sige. So, same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next problem natin, which is problem number 20.